Hey cuties, and welcome to today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're already subscribed, then thank you for coming and joining the cutie gang if you're new here. So as you can see from the beginning, this video is on this cute, it's like a rusty gold, and I say that because as I wore them, some of the chrome was pulling around the tips, but it was actually cute. It gave it like a more rustic vintage type of gold look, but it was just like really cute. But if you see from the video, you see how I put the little cute little tassel charm on there. That was my favorite thing about these nails, but these were some of the easiest nails to do. So I'm pretty sure you guys are familiar with this dang on phone, these notifications, sorry y'all. I'm pretty sure you guys are familiar with the building putty gel that everybody's using now to do these type of nails. I wasn't going out to buy none at the time, and I realized I had the Makartt bling gel, and I tried it on my fall freestyle nails. I was thinking about style nails at the same time, and it worked then, so I figured it'll work now. I actually was inspired by a set from Pinterest that I will insert, and it was probably multiple sets to be honest, so I'll try to insert them on the screen, that inspired me to kind of do something like this. It was very simple, very easy. I did the pinky first. Y'all know I always a lot of times do my testing on my pinky, but when I did the pinky, I didn't put any black gel polish down. I just did that and tried to see if the chrome was going to stick. I liked it, but I was like, let's see how it looks with the black, because you know a lot of times when you're using a chrome powder, any color, is better to always put like a base gel polish underneath, preferably black, because it seems like black brings out the best type of shade of the chrome, like it really shows through, unless you have like that holographic chrome that's meant to go on top of the color, and it just makes it look hollow, but the color still shows, unless it's that type of chrome powder. But most of them, if you're going for like a colored pink or like a green, any type of other chrome, it's a lot of times better to put it on top of black or on top of the gel polish that matches the color you're going for. So I am just, like I said, testing it again, because I had to test it out with the black before I went ahead and put it on every single nail, because if I didn't like it, y'all, I was gonna file it off, and that's just being real. But as you can see, just look at the difference between my ring finger and my pinky, like how you can see the chrome a lot more with the light reflecting on it. The only thing I hate about this is I realized a lot of people, when they were doing those trendy nails, they were using chrome gel paint, and I did not have that. So the thing about like chrome powders is I don't know if it just was sticking because my nails are matte and I didn't put like a top coat. Most people nowadays, they put a top coat on top of the nails first before they start to design them, but with something like this, I felt like my nails needed to be raw and like matte so that the bling gel would stick to them better. So that's why I did not top coat. But I feel like if you top coat your nails or a certain section before you apply the chrome, maybe it will stop the chrome from sticking, because you have to be very careful. See, I'm being very careful with this black polish to make sure I don't go past the lines that I made with the bling gel, as well as when you see me apply the chrome, I'm going to try to be extra cautious, because sometimes if you get the chrome where it should not be, you try to brush it off, all you're doing is rubbing it in and making it worse. So that's why you have to be as careful as you can to try not to go too far over the lines of what you're doing, or it will if it end up in a spot that you don't want it. That's the best way I can think of to explain that. So sorry, but you can see I'm trying to be real careful around the corners on this. But this is a very simple set. I'm not going to talk too much for the rest of this. I'm going to go ahead and go off and let you guys see, because this is a very short video. So thanks so much for watching, cuties. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. If you shop at Madam Glam, make sure you use my code CutieCrush35 for 35% off. And also, if you're looking for or you like some of the things that I use in my videos, make sure you click the links in my description box below that I'm putting there. I am an Amazon affiliate as well, so if you guys do shop with those links, it does give me a percentage of the purchases or things like that. But don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, cuties. I'll see you later. Mwah.